Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm so sorry for not posting for 2 days. I was just kind of busy. But yesterday I just got the mega pack in Toca. So of course I had to change my house, and so I'll show you guys my new house, so like a new house tour. So yeah. So I picked this house because it has like 2 floors and I think it's like so nice. So first over here there's like this mail area, and then over here there's a trampoline and doorbell, and there's a swing over here. So let's open the door. So first over here I have my home keys and some hand sanitizer. It's from the hospital. So over here I have this like some cleaning supplies and stuff to like clean the house. So yeah. And over here is the lift. And over here is Coco, the dog. And here's the living room. There's a TV. I don't have any CDs yet. And there's some chairs, a sofa, and some pillows. And over here is my office. I have a purse, a phone, a camera, a wallet, and a record player. Then over here I have this chair, a mouse, and this computer. It's so cool. And this like paper thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. And over here it's my shower. I have, of course, a shower. I think I'm going to add some towels because this is not like fully done yet. I don't know what else to add. And then there's a mirrors, a sink, and a brush, some toothpicks, and what are these? Hand cream or something? I don't know. And here is the bath, and here is the toilet. Right here is my room. It's very simple. Have, of course, a bed, this table, 2 paintings, a TV, and some drawers with clothes. And there's like a first aid kit over here. So let's head upstairs. There we go. So let's look at the pool area first. So over here I have like a shower, this umbrella, and this pool. It's so cool and so cute. And I have like watering cans and seeds, and like a pot. Now here's the barbecue area, like barbecue thing. So that's it for the pool. Over here is the kitchen. Have, of course, a fridge. It's pretty old, so I think I'm gonna actually change it up a bit. Okay, so I changed the fridge real quick. So yeah, here's the fridge. And over here there's like this little dining area, and the stove. And over here I have some cups, some plates, and some bowls. And in here there's just like the cutleries and stuff. Over here I have some snacks, a cereal, and like a fruit basket. And I have a tray and a toaster. And then over here I have this like slushy maker and a blender and more dog food and dog like water. And over here, these are just like some dog food and like dog toys for Coco. And over here is Katie's kind of like play area, PlayStation kind of thing. I think it's so cute. And over here is like this gaming area for like Katie and maybe like her friends to play, like some video games and stuff. over here is her bathroom. I think the bathroom is so cute. There's this shower, a pink mirror, a sink, soap, and a toothbrush, and a bath, and of course a toilet. Over here is her room. I think it's so cute too. She has a skateboard over here, some crayons, tape, 2 drawings, and a stapler. And over here there's flower painting, some like tape pictures and stuff, her pencil case, and her laptop, and a chair, and her slime kit. And over here she has this like table with her Nintendo Switch. And this like clock. I think this clock is so cool. Found at the mall. And she has some pillows. And over here, oh my god. Over here, she has a basket with Apple Pencil and her tablet and some clothes, very little clothes. I have to buy some clothes for her. Over here is her bed. I think this bed is so cute. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.